target, we'll start with a slip knot and we'll make a ring with chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, go back to the first chain, draw a slip stitch and close your ring. Now chain 2, and this will count as a first double crochet, and then chain 2 more, which will be the space between the double crochets. So we will repeat that, a double crochet and a space of 2 chains. So yarn over into the first double crochet, which technically is the second because we have one with the chains, chain 2, and we keep repeating that till we have a total of 4 double crochets, which will make 4 angles. And we have one more double crochet here, chain 2 for the space between them, and then we need one more. And then chain 2, and now we are ready to close our row. We have 1, 2, 3, and this one 4 spaces for our 4 corners. Go at the top of the second chain, that was our double crochet, and I like threading my project, making that loop bigger so I can secure my stitches really well here, just for that first base row. So I'll start my second color with a slip knot here, insert my hook, and then grab one of my spaces and start from there. Grab the working yarn and do a single crochet through your loop. Tighten that stitch really well from the back. And now, so I can secure my tail of the second color, I will do a chain with those 2 strands with the tail together, and then one more chain just with the working yarn. So when I pull my tail, it's really there. And then I will still carry it behind so I can secure it inside the stitches. And then we'll have 2 more double crochets for that corner. And then chain 1. And into the same chain space, we'll have 3 more double crochets, which will be our corner. So that's how we will work each corner from now on. All right, so now we are skipping to the next corner, and we will do the same thing again. We'll have 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 3 more double crochets, and we'll repeat that into each corner. Here is one chain, and the next 3 double crochets. Okay, and we have the 2 corners right now, so we'll work the same thing into the rest of the 2 corners. Once we reach the beginning of the row, we'll go at the top of the chain we did here with that first chain, and we'll do a slip stitch so we can close our row. And here we are. So at this point, I also like doing my big loop and threading through it my work. This helps me keep the other colors go up as well and stay trapped. So here we are over here with the next row. So grabbing my previous color, or you can introduce a new color here, I will make a loop. So I stay there and chain 1. So now I'm going to have a row of chains working only between each cluster. So chain 2, go into the corner, single crochet 1, chain 2, and single crochet into the same space, but this is only for the corners. And then chain 2, going into the space between the clusters, single crochet 1, chain 2, and we are going into the next corner again. Single crochet there, chain 2, and since we're in the corner, we have to do one more single crochet here. So in the next row, we can build our corner in the corner, and we have the clusters of 3 into each chain space. slip stitch into the beginning, single crochet, and now you can make your loop bigger and then thread your work through that big loop. So there is my next. I'm ready for the next row of clusters. For the next row with a new color, I'll do again a slip stitch, and I'll start like I did with the pink color, and I'll do my clusters into each chain space. So chain 3 and 2 double crochets, so we have a total of 3. Then we'll go into the next chain space, and I will hold my colors so I can trap them there. So here again 3 double crochets, and into each corner we'll do again a corner, which is 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets, and we keep working into the chain spaces, only 3 double crochets, no chains between them. This creates less holes and it makes a denser fabric. Right, and 3 double crochets into that chain space, and now we have a corner again, which will do the same as the previous corner all around till we are done, and we slip stitch into that last chain. Keep repeating those 2 rows, a row of chains and a row of clusters, till the width and the height you would like your blanket to be. I ended up with a row of chains only because I really like the look of it, and my neutral color was the last one. So this was my sample is a baby blanket, so it's really up to you how big you want to go, how much yarn you have left. So just a great little project to have with you and to work your stash or any leftover colors you have. So if you like this video, please give it a like, watch the next video in line, and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you a happy crochet and a wonderful day. Bye!